Now we will start with Bang Bang movement, that is movement against the partition of Bengal. People opposed. Opposed means against these efforts. Efforts means try to break the unity and integrity. Integrity means honesty of Bengal by rallies, demonstrations. Demonstration means display, and by distributing pamphlets. Vande Mataram song from the novel Anand Manth, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, became the popular slogan during this protest. Protest means objection. The nation was swept by a strong waves of nationalism. People in Bengal observe the day of the implementation. Implementation means applications of the partition. Partition means division as the morning day. People went on a strike all over the region. As per the suggestion of Rabindranath Tagore, that day was also celebrated as the Day of Unity. Next is Swadeshi movement. It was decided to intensity. Intensity means increase the movement against the partition, means division of Bengal. Bang Bang movement and expand. Expand means enlarge its base. The main three characteristics of the movements were: number one, to trade and use Indian. Indian means Swadeshi goods only. To boycott. Boycott means avoid imported goods. Number three, to acquire. Acquire means obtain national education, and boycott means avoid the English education. To achieve these goals, a committee was formed under the leadership of renowned. Renowned means famous members of the Indian National Congress like Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Arvind Ghosh, etc. They urge means ask the Indians to boycott. Boycott means avoid foreign goods and clothes and use Swadeshi goods. Through articles in newspapers, processions. Processions means parade or march. Yeah, you can even say yatra, public meetings and folk songs. People were made to understand the importance of using Swadeshi goods. Factories were started to produce Swadeshi goods. The import of goods like textile, salt, shoes, sugar, cigarette, tobacco, etc. from England decreased drastically. Drastically means extremely. And the sale of Indian commodities. Commodities means items or products and textile increased. The Swadeshi movement spread in other parts of India too. Next, national education. The third feature associated means related with the Swadeshi or the boycott movement was the national education. Students took an active part in the Bang Bang movement. As a result, many punitive means disciplinary actions such as leaving means charge, fine, or expelling means throw out students from the school or colleges were taken by the government. This called for an optional means enforced arrangements of national schools or colleges for students. In 1907 CE, 25 national secondary schools and 300 national primary schools became functional in Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore started Vishwa Bharati School in Santi Niketan in 1901 CE. The British government failed in subsidizing means supporting the Bang Bang movement. Finally, the British government had to cancel the partition. Partition means division of Bengal in the year 1911 CE. It was a historical and a memorable means unforgettable victory of the people of Bengal that was achieved through peaceful and non-violent means quietly. Next is rise of extremists. Leaders like Dadabhai Nauroji, Surendranath Banerjee, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta believed in acquiring means obtaining political rights through constitutional means essential measures. They were known as the moderates since they had adopted a moderate means average attitude as per the trained means style of their time. The moderates prepared a strong ground for national awakening by uniting the educated middle class. They sowed the seed of self rule, equality, democracy, freedom in the minds of Indians. The outcome of their work formed a group of Indian youth who were enthusiastic. Enthusiastic means eager, awakened, and confident. Next is moderate leaders. In contrast means difference to the moderate ideology means ideas. There were a group of three leaders, that is Lala Lajpat Rai from Punjab, who was known as Lal. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak from Maharashtra, who was known as Bal. And third person was Bipin Chandra Pal from Bengal, who was known as Pal. These leaders wanted to acquire means obtain the self-rule not as a favor but as their right. They followed the policy of aggression. Aggression means force and revolutions, and hence were called the extremists. Next is the extremists. Among the extremists, first of all, we will study about Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was born in 1856 and died in 1920. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, popularly known as Lokmanya Tilak, was a prominent means important extremist leader. He gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He started the celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi and Shivaji Jayanti. He started two newspapers, namely Kesari in Marathi and Maratha in English. Its impact means effect, was noteworthy. Noteworthy means notable. He played an important role in the Home Rule movement in 1916 CE. Next is Lala Lajpat Rai, who was born in 1856 and died in 1928. Lala Lajpat Rai became popularly as Punjab Kesari or Sher-e-Punjab. He was badly beaten in a lathi charge while protesting. Protesting means objecting against the Simon Commissions, and it became the reason of his death. He quoted means mentioned the government which attacked its own innocent subjects has no claim means demand to be called a civilized government. Bear in mind means keep in mind such a government cannot survive. Survive means live for long. I declare that the blows struck means hit at me will be the last nail in the coffin of the British rule in India. Next is Bipin Chandra Pal, who was born in 1858 and died in 1932. Bipin Chandra Pal was one among the thrice of Lal, Bal and Pal. Initially means at first he came in contact with Brahmo Samaj. He started a weekly New India and a newspaper Vande Mataram. The British government accused means stick on him of Provoking. Provoking means arouse the youngsters in violent activities. He was in favor of acquiring. Acquiring means obtaining Swaraj through revolution. Next, establishment of the Muslim League 1906. The Britishers had adopted the policy of divide and rule. Nationalism was growing at a quick pace, means speed in India, and the Britishers found it necessary to break the national unity. They could successfully convince means satisfy a group of Muslim leaders into forming the Muslim League. It was formed in Dhaka in 1906 CE. The religious head of Muslim, Aga Khan, Nawab of Dhaka, Samiullah Khan, Viceroy Minto, and his private secretary Dunlop Smith played a vital role in the establishment of the Muslim League. Next is Home Rule Movement 1916. Between 1916 and 1918, when the World War First was closing, prominent means well-known Indians like Joseph Baptista, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, G.S. Khaparde, Sir S. Subramanian Iyer, and the leaders of the Theosophical Society, Annie Besant, decided to organize a national alliance. Alliance means association or union of leagues, means group across India, especially to demand home rule or self-government within the British Empire for all in India. During this time, Tilak was conferred. Conferred means consult with the Tilak with the title Lokmanya. Annie Besant wrote various articles in the weekly The Commonweal and in the daily New India. Annie Besant appealed means requested to the British government to share administrative powers and grant. Grant means allow the home rule to India at the earliest. Indian National Congress and the Muslim League supported the home rule movement. Annie Besant was kept in house arrest, means close arrest or protective custody at Uttaramandalam, that is Ooty, by the British government. Demonstrations means proofs and protest means objections were launched, means introduced at various places in India, and finally the British government had to set her free. Next, Lucknow Pact 1916. Lucknow Pact refers means mention to an agreement. Agreement means contact between the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League at the joint session, means meeting of both the parties held in Lucknow in the year 1916. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, then a member of the Congress as well as the League, made both the parties reach an agreement, means contract, to pressurize. Pressurize means force the British government to adopt a more liberal means free or open-minded approach, means offered towards India, and give Indians more authority. Authority means power to run their country. The Lucknow Pact also established cordial. Cordial means friendly relation between the two prominent means well-known or important groups of the Indian National Congress, the moderates and the extremists. Next, Subhash Chandra Bose and Azad Hind Fauj. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His mother's name was Prabhavati and father's name was Janakinath Bose. He was very intelligent. Intelligent means clever since his childhood. He stood forth in the ICS, means full form of ICS is Indian Civil Service exam in the year 1920 conducted means organized in London. He joined the Indian National Congress after returning to India and participated means took part in the freedom struggle. He was arrested for 11 times under the political offense means crime. He became the president of the Haripura session of Congress in 1938 CE and the second time in the Tripura session held in 1939 CE. Difference of opinion means thinking or views forced him to resign from the post of the president of the Indian National Congress. In May 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose formed a new political party, Forward Bloc. When the Second World War broke out in Europe, Forward Bloc launched means started anti-war propaganda. Propaganda means informations. As a result, Subhash Chandra and his followers means disciples or supporters were arrested and imprisoned. Imprisoned means jailed by the government. While in jail, Subhash Chandra Bose went on a hunger strike means fasting and that deteriorated means weakened his health and the government was forced to set him free. However, he was kept under house arrest. House arrest means close arrest or protective custody. On 17 January 1941, Subhash Chandra Bose escaped. Escape means ran away from the house arrest. House arrest means close arrest or protective custody. He disguised means cover up himself as a Pathan and reached Berlin via Peshawar, Kabul and Moscow. He gave a speech on Berlin radio which shocked the Britishers. From there, he went to Japan via Sumatra. Next, as the chief of Azad Hind Fauj, that is Indian National Army, and Indian soldiers from the British Army, Captain Mohan Singh formed Azad Hind Fauj, that is Indian National Army, with the help of Indian soldiers who had surrendered. Surrendered means give up to Japan as war prisoners due to differences of opinions. Opinions means views between Japanese government and Ras Bihari Bose. Mohan Singh had to resign. Resign means leave or give up. The future of Azad Hind Fauj, that is Indian National Army, became blurred. Blurred means weakened with a general consent. Consent means support or favor. Ras Bihari Bose appointed Subhash Chandra Bose as the chief of Azad Hind Fauj on 4th January 1943. He was given the honorary means nominal title of Netaji. Netaji gave the slogan Chalo Delhi and Jai Hind to the Fauj and the nation. He toured means visited or go around the countries of Southeast Asia and appealed the Indians living there to sacrifice. Sacrifice means give up everything for the freedom of the country. He said to the people, "You give me blood and I will give you freedom." This slogan gave a new impetus. Impetus means power or energy to the freedom struggle. Next, provisional government. Subhash Chandra Bose established Arji Hukumat, a Azad Hind, that is acting government of Free India in Singapore in October 1943. He took charge. Charge means responsibility as the chief of the army. This government declared a war against England and America. Next, role of Azad Hind Fauj. Azad Hind Fauj was reorganized, means rebuilt by Subhash Chandra Bose after he became the chief of the Arzi Hukumat-e-Azad Hind. Proper training was given to the soldiers and the Azad Hind Fauj was divided into various battalions. Battalions means army, troops or group. Azad Hind Fauj secured means obtained victory. Victory means success at various fronts. Fronts means battlefield in the eastern border of India like Arakan and Imphal. Later on, the Fauj was forced to retreat means withdraw due to the shortage of food supply and heavy rain. America dropped the nuclear bomb on Japan and Japan surrendered means give up. The dynamic means energetic of the war changed and the future of Azad Hind Fauj became hazy means unclear. 4,000 soldiers died and 25,000 soldiers were arrested. Netaji had taken a vow. Vow means oath or promise that he will not enter in the subjugated means defeated India. Netaji left Rangoon and Bangkok and moved ahead by air. As per the reports published by the Japanese government, his plan that took off from Taipei airport of Formosa on 18th August 1945 crashed. Crash means hit or dash or clash and Netaji being seriously burned. Succumbed means surrendered to death. With this, we have completed with the lesson Nationalism in India. Hope you all have understood. Thank you.